Hello children. So today we are going to start a new topic called exterior angle property. First let us understand what is exterior angle and then we will move on to exterior angle property. In triangle ABC, the side BC is produced to E. That means they are telling there is a triangle ABC and it is produced to E. The side BC. The side BC is produced. So this is the side and it is produced to E. Angle ACE so formed is called the exterior angle. That means angle ACE is the exterior angle. So that means in a triangle there are three sides. So if any one side is extended, that becomes an exterior angle. For example, let us take this as an exterior angle. Okay. LMN. Now, if I extend ML, this is one side. If I extend it upwards, ML, if I extend it upwards, okay. So LMNO. So now this becomes our exterior angle. Now how will you name an exterior angle? You can just see this angle is touching what? Now this angle is touching this L, right? This is L point, LN, it is touching LN. And what is this touching, children? It is touching LO. Okay, so L should be in the middle. L, which is common, you will write it in the middle, and then this is in the middle. So N here and O here. So NLO is the exterior angle. Okay, you understood how to name an exterior angle? We will see many more. See, now this is your angle PQR, right? Suppose if I am extending this to S. So now this becomes my exterior angle because it is not inside, it is outside the angle. Inside means interior angle. If it is outside the triangle, it is exterior angle. How will you name it? Just see where it is touching, children. This line is which line? PQ. And this is touching QS. Now what is common in both? Q. So that will be the middle, and P and S. So PQS. See here children, PQS. That is your exterior angle. Let us see one more. Suppose you are drawing like this. Okay. And I am going upwards. Let us assume this is X, Y, Z and this is W. Right. Now the angle, exterior angle is this. How will you name this exterior angle? You will mark this and you will see where is it touching. This angle is touching XY and this is touching WX. Now what is common in both? X. So that we will write in the middle. Then what is remaining? W and Y. So W and Y. So WXY is our exterior angle. It is very simple to name. We will try once more. We saw up how it forms. We saw how it forms in the side. Now we will see how it forms downwards. Now let us understand. Suppose this is A, B and C. And I am extending A, B, C and I am marking this as D. So the exterior angle formed is this. So where is this touching? BC. And where is this line touching? BD. So B is common, that we will write in the middle, C and D. So CBD is our exterior angle. So hope you understood, children, how to name an exterior angle. Now let us see what is exterior angle property. Now children, suppose this is a triangle ABC, okay. Now we are learning what is an exterior angle property. A triangle ABC is there and suppose I am extending this, okay. So this becomes my exterior angle. But what about these three? Angle A, angle B and angle C. They are inside the triangle, so it is called interior angles. So I can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C are all interior angles and they form 180 degree. Angle sum property. But according to exterior angle property, it says that an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. What is the meaning of this? An exterior angle is equal to, that means let me name this as 4. 4 is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. That means it is lying interior also and it is opposite to 4. So now if I name this as 1, 2, 3. So exterior angle property says that an exterior angle, that is angle 4, is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now what is opposite to it? This is interior and this is interior and it is opposite. So sum of 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus angle 2. So this is a simple way of saying our exterior angle property. Now why they have not taken 3 children? Any idea? Because 3 plus 4 forms a linear pair. So 3 is not included in this. So exterior angle property says that angle 4, which is in the exterior, it is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. And one more thing, an exterior angle is greater than each of its interior opposite angles. That means 4 will be greater than 1 and 4 will also be greater than 2. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Now children, here I have drawn the diagram. Now here angle ABC is a triangle and D is the extension of AB. So the X is an exterior angle formed and they have asked us to find the value of X. So before finding the value of X children, we know what does exterior angle property says. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Right? This is what we learnt now. So let us mark this. Now we know children this is 4. Why? Because exterior angle we will always take as 4. So let us assume this is angle 4. And with the angle 4, what does it form? Angle 3. So angle 3 and angle 4 always form a linear pair. So you name this as 3. So this will be angle 1, angle 2. You can take this as also angle 1, this also as angle 2. You can interchange it. But always remember, mark exterior angle as angle 4 and whatever forms with that inside, that you take it as angle 3. Then it will be very easy to solve. So 4 and 3 form a linear pair. 4 is exterior, 3 is interior and angle 1 plus angle 2 is the interior opposite angles. Now what is angle 4? It is X. What is angle 1? It is 35 degree. What is angle 2? It is 70 degree. So X is equal to 105 degree. So if you know to name these numbers correctly, exterior angle property sums are very easy. So we have found that exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. And one more thing you can see is an exterior angle is greater than each of its interior opposite angles. That means angle 4 is greater than angle 1. See, angle 4 is 105. What is X? X is 105. What is X? X is exterior angle. So 105 is greater than 35 and 105 is also greater than 70. So we have proved it. Now let us do this sum. Now children, in this sum, marking is very important because exterior angle property. So you know that this and this inside, okay, I will mark this. These are interior angles. That means X is an exterior angle. So you are confirmed with that. And for exterior angle, what number you will give? 4. So let us assume this as 4. So angle 4. And what do they form? They form linear pair. So 4 and 3. So if this is 4 and 3, this should be 1 and 2. Right? So according to exterior angle property, angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. What is 4? It is X degree. What is 1? It is 50 degree. What is 2? It is 60 degree. So if I add, it will become 110. So exterior angle is 110, or you can say X is equal to 110. And 110 is greater than 50 and 110 is also greater than 60, proving that exterior angle is greater than each of its interior opposite angles. In our next class, we will do many more sums. Bye.